so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video is a mail haul. I received a couple of packages in PR as well as some Christmas cards from some of my subscribers. I just really wanted to share with you guys what I received. I want to go on ahead and thank the brands and the subscribers that sent me some items in the mail. It means so much to me. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Let's go on ahead and get started. The first package we have is by Luxurious Scent Box, and it looks like we have 3 different perfume scents. They asked me what scents I was interested in. I said floral, so they chose out some scents based off of that. So you twist it, and there you go. So let's go ahead and spray. Ooh, that's the jasmine scent. So they sent me 3 shades by the brand Nativa. I have Nativa Aruba, Jamaica, and St. Thomas. This is amazing. I like how you just twist and pump. So it's great to travel with, and it also came with this case to fit inside and close. And this one's a little bit more light, almost like a vanilla to it. Ooh, that smells good too. And then we have a third one, spray it over here. This one almost smells like a cologne. The one that I like the most is this purple cap right here. The other 2 are not bad. It's just I really like this one. So the 3 scents I got are inspired by the island's Wonglo flowers. Offers a captivating floral infusion of natural neroli and bergamot blossoms enhanced with freesia and rose touched with Persian lime. The Jamaica, the addictive purple blush of enchanting lingam viti flower, abundant with its luscious petals, casts its mesmerizing charm within the intoxicating fragrance, which also features juicy mandarin, plumera blossoms, vanilla crystals, sheer vetiver, and white musk, which I believe was the second one that I tried. I think. They're not labeled which one is which. And then the third one, St. Thomas, is inspired by the exquisite aura of the frangipani flower and accented with a shimmery, salty, watery accord and opulent petally notes of rose absolute and orange flower absolute, all balanced by enveloping base of creamy vanilla and sultry musk. That's why I think this one, which is the one I thought that smells like cologne. A lot of musky scents smell like cologne to me. Not bad at all. I also have a non-affiliated discount code. You can use code ayyyeeeitsamanda for 35% off your first purchase. I'm not an avid perfume wearer, but something like this would make me want to get into it. I normally just use the body mists from Bath & Body Works or Victoria's Secret because they're more affordable, especially during their semi-annual sales where they're like $2. So I like to stock up around those times, but I also think that these are pretty decent size. For me, they would last a long time. I would wear them for special occasions, where I go out with friends or date night, or if I wanted to travel. I think this is a great way to test out different perfumes, explore some scents. Thank you again, Luxury Scent Box, for sending over these 3 scents. The next product are these beauty sponges by InStylish. They asked me what was my preference type of applying foundation, and I said brushes, but they only carry sponges. So they gave me a couple of options to choose from. This one reminded me of the Real Technique and Morphe sponge. That's the one I'm most familiar with. And then they sent me one that almost has like that teardrop shape, kind of like the Juno & Co. micro sponge, which I see all over the internet, which I still haven't tried for myself. These feel very much like the Real Technique sponges. They're very soft. The Morphe ones are a little bit more firm. So I'm definitely curious to see how these compare to a Beauty Blender, Real Techniques, and Morphe sponges. Those are the 3 I'm most familiar with, and to fairly draw a comparison to with these 2. They're on the more affordable side, like Real Techniques and Morphe, than a Beauty Blender. So I'm very excited to see how these are going to apply foundation. Thank you again to InStylish for sending those over. And then the third package is from Fortune Cookie Soap. This is the December monthly subscription box. The theme is Happy Holla Days, like holla back girl. And then we have this cute sticker. It says Frosty Mornings and Toasty Mugs. Ta-da! And we have 4 different products. We have the Merry and Bright Shimmer Lip Scrub. Ooh, okay. This actually looks like their typical sugar scrubs that they make, but this one is just for your lips. It smells like, hold on, like a vanilla latte. That smells so good. Oh, it's a very refined lip scrub too. Has like a little bit of a balm texture to it, so it's not just like salt that you're rubbing on your lips. It feels super nice on the hands, even though it's exfoliating my hand and not my lips. I have so many lip scrubs now, but I can't stop using them because my lips are still chapped. What is up with that? I don't understand. My lips are forever chapped, I suppose. In comparison to like the Lush lip scrubs, I like this a little bit better. I just find the Lush ones to be very gritty and hard, where this is really soft. All of like the exfoliating grits really broke down, whereas the Lush ones just kind of sit on my lips. Can't wait to actually try it on my lips. I got lipstick on right now. And then we have the And To All a Good Night Jelly Sleep Mask. I'm a little scared that it says jelly. It really is. It smells like food. Like I almost want to eat it. Grapes and pineapples is what it smells like. I had no idea they started making sleep masks. Those are my jam. I feel that the Glow recipe one is very slimy. So I'm wondering if this is going to feel similar to that because it says jelly. Grab a little bit and try it on my hand. Let me just dab it. Is that enough? Oh yeah, it feels just like the Glow recipe one. How it's super slimy. It's a weird feeling because it feels like there's just a lot and it feels hard to really rub in. I know my face really soaks it in, but it has that really slippery feeling to it. And then we have a Let It Shine Lip Plumping Oil Treatment. No. This will be set aside for a future giveaway. I don't do lip plumping products. I am allergic to most of them. There have been some that have not caused a reaction. So to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna set it aside for one of you guys to try. They are constantly expanding on the products that they offer. Another fairly new item are these diffusing oils. You do not need a diffuser, allegedly. That is nice. This is the Fa La La Scent Diffuser. It smells a little bit like pine and vanilla. Interesting. So you unscrew the wood lid, remove the plastic plug and discard, screw the wood lid back on, turn the bottle over and allow the fragrance to soak into the wood lid. Enjoy anywhere in your home, car, closet, or office. That's really nifty because I don't have a scent diffuser, so that's a really neat, innovative way of a car freshener, whatever it may be. So I'm glad that they keep including them because that way I don't have to go and buy wallflowers. Actually, I have one more package. It's from one of my subscribers and friends, Tanya. Tanya was very kind enough to send me her Lumify eye drops because I raved about them, and she said that she wasn't going to get any use out of it and she didn't want it to go to waste, so she sent it over to me. So thank you so much, Tanya. These are definitely gonna get loved. I really like these eye drops. I have really red eyes for whatever reason, and this really does help decrease the redness. It actually lasts a little longer than 8 hours for me. I haven't done a full wear test. I joked about maybe doing one. Very nice, very comfortable. I haven't noticed any irritation or reaction to it. And I want to shout out 3 more subscribers, Samantha, Alice, and Brandy, for sending over Christmas cards. That was very sweet. I was not expecting it. I actually started crying in the post office when I was at my P.O. box. When I saw those, it really meant so much to me. I'm really blessed to have amazing, loving friends like you guys. It means so much to me. Your love does not go unnoticed. I appreciate and love you all so, so much. Thanks again to Luxury Scent Box and Stylish, Fortune Cookie Soap, and Tanya for the packages, and to Samantha, Alice, and Brandy for the card. It really means so much to me. I'm really like in shock that I'm doing my first mail haul right now. It is definitely so exciting and overwhelming. And I wish you all a happy holidays and happy new year. Here's to 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it fun. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.